Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video where today we're doing the Being Boozled challenge. I don't want to do this much, but I kind of do at the same time. So we're going to take one of each flavour that I actually have left. So I've got this one, I can't remember. This one's egg or something. This one is dog food or something. This is toothpaste or blueberry, and that's grass and something else. Okay, so I've got a glass of water just over there, so let's go for the first one. That's nice. Oh, I don't know what that is, but it's just gonna. That was bad. I don't know what the hell it was, but it was bad. So, on to the next one. Actually, I'm going to try this one because it's probably the nicest. I got the bad one. But I deal with that a lot, so I'm okay for that one. Yeah. Okay, back again. I don't want to do this. Oh my god. It's moldy egg and something else. Coconut and moldy egg. I have a feeling I know that what's this gonna be. So, let me try it. There we go. Okay.
Must